Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. As Father's Day is around the corner, I am making a Father's Day card. For this, take a blue color paper and fold it into half. Then draw a design as shown. Cut along the outline. Then take another piece of paper and glue it inside the card. Using the remaining paper, cut out 2 squares, one small and one big. Fold as shown and draw a petal shape. And cut it out. You will get a flower. In the same way, make another flower. Glue the pieces to the card as shown. To decorate it, I am using a sequin here. And then I am using half beads. You can also use stickers here. And our card is now ready. You can write whatever message you want inside the card. Here I am writing F, fabulous, A, amazing, T, trustworthy, H, helpful, E, extraordinary, and R, responsible. Then I am writing, you are my hero, happy Father's Day to the best father in the world. Then I have highlighted it and made small hearts around the card. And that's it, our Father's Day card is now ready. I hope you all liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video very soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.